still play more Indian Trick Driving. And I'm gonna try to beat the game. I've used the police to on my brother, bigger brother. That's real patient work. Then the fifth one, I should definitely watch that.
Maybe it's just.
Huh?
It says there, when you're thinking about doubling by squeezing in 6,000 and doing it out to match it.
Screw it too tight. Yeah. Right, so basically, you put that.
So we got to restart. What do we have to do into that? Do it. No. I'm gonna cry. Who's driving that thing? I'm going in the police. Because I'm gonna complete this bit in a set. That's a fast forward. Go, 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 go. Parent control. We have the old mark for that awesome save. It's only possible to get past that.
Or is it the top thread that goes through?
No!
The top thread goes through the hole.
Okay, let's fail.
I think you know more than me. I never done a sewing machine.
Oh, did it at school?
I saw me
Many years.
But I was too busy.
Yes, guys. I'm going to. We always use the police truck. And cancel that. Let's sprint.
He's too limited. No, let the needle down.
Well, suck it. Can you see it?
No, guys.
Smallest pinhole in the world. What's that game? Go Bob. Mountain.
No, I have to reset.
No, don't say the hole.
What about the bottom thread? The bottom bobbin that wasn't there. Where's that?
Get police truck. Hey, bro, stop.
Put it through.
You done it?
Who is that guy?
That on this bit and backwards.
So where is this?
No, you leave that.
That's why you need trouble. This is police.
You connected it to that. Well, that's just the spur bobbin.
Where does this go?
Right, get it.
No.
Right, please, right, that's it.
No, it's just all done.
Yeah.
Okay, put
Now,
it back.
usually, as far as I'm aware,
What's the bobbin?
There's some already
what's
in
on
it.
board, they've been replacements.
Placement. So,
There's some already in it.
This thing's meaty.
Don't leave the bobbin in.
Have you had
Buggy,
this
buggy.
one?
Is that a double threaded thing then?
Yeah.
does it work in unison?
Yeah, I think it might do.
Oh God! We just quit. That's how you should try that. No, I'm never trying that.
I think that's it.
I
I just did it now.
This game is real. I really like
See if
it.
that'll work. Put your cock thingy in it.
Like that.
Yeah. No, under the needle. There should be a thing that lifts that up, like a lever. There you go. Right, yeah, right. Put that down. Right, hold it straight. Press the pedal gently. There you go. That's your fingers.
Oh, that's with you. Stop. Let's get the
fingers.
finger. Yeah, it's finger guard.
Fuck me, I can't even believe I still remembered that.
Has it gone in?
Has it gone in? No, it don't look like it's still did that.
Because it's white.
Are you sure?
We're supposed to have two pieces in, so it holds it
Yeah,
together.
so it holds it together, but you would feel it.
No, because it's only one piece.
It looks
Oh
like
no, yeah, it has. Yeah,
Don't-
yeah, it has.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll get to that checkpoint one more.
Should find it.
Then we beat it.
Feel it there.
Do we pull it out from the front or the back?
No, so then you would lift the arm up if you wanted to finger it. So you lift it up, pull it out, pull
Backwards.
any. Yeah, that right. Yeah, right. Gentle. Oh, I think you're supposed to do it back that way because it goes backwards, doesn't it? Have you got both threads in there now?
It's like getting to a
Yeah,
dangerous
it would sit,
emergency.
if you wanted to cut it off and then start.
Yeah.
You know, if you wanted to cast off, you would go backwards, forwards like that.
Right.
Yeah. I made a nip and it goes out using the sewing machine.
So where does this go? Underneath.
Through that gap and back out here. Yeah,
How's it? I think it's a tight.
like that.
Can I do it in a row?
Needs to go in
Oh, right,
no, that's it.
No, we don't
yeah.
stop.
Only got one thread there. It's too short. Is
Can
it
you
too
take it
short?
all out?
No, it's not the old.
You have to retread it, no, because you said won't be able to do that.
Okay, I can do it. Put it through there. Yeah. Yep.
You almost.
Where I got these
Almost
LED
beat it.
light bulbs like the sun.
Oh, where's the roll?
Why don't you
Oh,
take it
triple
out?
Yeah,
continue.
made the proper.
That line is turned so narrow.
I can put it through. Done. Put it through.
Okay.
Then put it underneath there.
In there.
I don't know where your red torch is.
Out the back.
Yeah, turn it back.
Right, so we're just going to pull it through a little bit more.
Put your material.
Finger guard.
Basically,
No.
you're not supposed to pull it manually. I think it's. Oh no, never. Yeah, you are.
Where's the
Got
top?
your thimble.
Don't stop!
What you're looking for?
No!
So
The
when
finger guard.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna have to
finger
walk.
guard, no, what have you done with it?
This is the finger gun.
No,
plastic
the plastic bit.
On the floor, I think.
Well, if it's on the floor, then Peanut could have possibly have had it off. Peanut. PP. No, she's outside. Oh my god, I can't believe you even just like, how can you even lose it?
Dog's here. Cheers. Look at it, mate, cheers.
Is it that one? No, that one. I got this.
Right.
I don't need it.
Right, we're turning that. Now it's locked in. Two pieces.
Yeah. 2 pieces there. What's this?
Okay. No. All you have to do once you're pressing the pedal is keep that fabric
Yeah.
pulse. That's as much as I bleed in that.
Okay. I need to beat this
We
game.
need it at the front.
Maybe put
So
it
then,
underneath.
is it done there?
Oh, I know.
Yeah, that's it. Right, lower the needle. Right, that's it now.
What this?
Sit down where Dad's sitting.
Yeah,
Sit,
take
wait,
it in yourself.
wait. Dad, sit where Dad's sitting, sort of.
Dum, dum, dum. Oh, we almost beat it. And that's it.